Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to take a screenshot of full page on iPhone. So, if you have a full page just like this on your iPhone, and you want to take the screenshot just once, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you find this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to take a screenshot of full page on your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the web page where you want to take the screenshot of the full page. Then press the power button and then the volume up button together at the same time. Once the screenshot is taken, locate and click on full page. Then use this slider and then drag it down until you get to the end of the page you want to screenshot. Click on the check mark at the top right. You can save this to photo and save as PDF file. Then once saved, go ahead and open the Photos app on your iPhone. Once opened, scroll down, locate the screenshot you took, and then you'll see the screenshot like this. So this helps you to take a full screenshot on your iPhone, and then you are good. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.